Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Chris and I'm glad you came along for the adventure today. Today is not really an adventure. My awning motor broke, so we're going to replace it. Pretty simple. I was a little worried on what it was going to do to fix it, but I'm fairly confident that we can knock this out, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get to it. I saw a lot of stuff online where it says about you have to stick a little, like a cotter pin or something on the other side to be able to lock the spring into place. I cannot find that hole to be able to do so. So, got some channel locks here. I'm going to use these to lock onto the pole so I can save the tension. That way the spring doesn't take off once I take this out. Right here's the new motor. I'm going to take these 3 bolts out. Actually, we'll back up. Before I could access this, I had to take off the plastic cover, which was just held on by 2 screws, and then there were 3 screws on either side to undo the head of the cover. And then you can take it right off, which accesses this. I already went ahead and did that, obviously, as you can see, and then I unclipped the motor from the wire that runs down the arm. Now all that's left to really do is you take out these three bolts. Hold this tension on, that way the spring doesn't fly, and then put the new motor back in. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, I pulled the old motor off. I'm holding on to this, that way it keeps that tension in place. And we can put the new motor back in. What you want to do is at least get one of these started a while, that way you don't have to continue to hold on to this wrench. Put the clip back together. See, I did a really good job clamping this down. Such a good job. I can't get it released. All right, now if all works, I'm going to release this. That way the awning will move, and we're going to go put power to it and make sure it works. All right, well, that's going to wrap that up. As you can see, the awning works now. So just a quick, simple little fix of the motor got us back on our way. So if you like this video and you found this helpful, make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. This channel is primarily focused on our adventures and us getting out and you know, going around the different areas, but every once in a while we do have some issues that come up with our RVs, and as they come up, we'll show you how to fix them if we can. So anyway, make sure, again, you comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.